Assalamualaikum, this is us, the Crawfordians. As per Crawford culture, we always say that we are leaders, not followers. My name is Ayan. Today we discuss about source of water and water cycle. Source of water refers to body of water such as river, stream, lake and groundwater.
This is my project. Now I tell you about groundwater. Groundwater is located below the surface of earth and spaces between rock and soil. Groundwater is naturally filtered, which might remove some germs or chemicals depending on water depth and area's local geology. Water that comes from well is called groundwater and might receive some level of treatments before it reaches your tap. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Kasim Rahim. I am from grade 3. This is a project. Human project, I tell you about drain pump. Drain pump usually a combination in water and runoff. Drain pump commonly contain fertilizer. After showing my project, I tell you about drain pump. Drain pump usually a combination in water and runoff. Drain pump commonly fertilizer.
But there are a clean source of water. Sources of water. There are three sources of water: surface water, rainwater and groundwater. This is a tap, hand pump and well. Rain is a liquid form of water that falls from the sky in drops. Rain fills lakes, ponds, rivers and streams. It provides the fresh water needed by humans, animals and plants. Okay, thank you.
A river is a large natural stream of water that flows over land. Even though hold only a tiny fraction of Earth's total water, they have always been essential to human civilization. Rivers carry fresh water to people, plants and animals.